Today I'll be making a so good lamb neck dish. All you need is some lamb, some of our So Good Potjie mix, some vegetables, some 6-gun, a bit of butter, and you will definitely have a great meal. Melting some butter. Our lamb neck, some 6-gun. Our lamb neck is brown. I'm going to just remove this. Then I'm going to fry the onions and the tomatoes. We're literally going to fry this for a minute until the onion gets a bit softer, and then I will be returning my meat. Our onions is soft and it is now time to add our meat. For the next step, I'm going to add our So Good Potjiekos mix. And this really makes a big difference, will really make a big difference. Obviously our potjie mix will make a huge difference. Once added, you just stir it, you coat properly, and then we'll be adding some water. This one, 800 ml of water. I'm gonna fit my lid and let this simmer for an hour. Our pot has been simmering for an hour. It is now time to add some vegetables. I've got potatoes, carrots, or baby potatoes. As you can see, I have rinsed them. Make sure you rinse them. I like to keep the skin on. That's just extra vitamins. And leave this to simmer for another 45 minutes. Then after that, our cauliflower, our dried fruit, and our mushrooms. Our lamb neck has been cooking for 1 hour and 45 minutes now. So we are now in the final stage. It will be cauliflower, dried fruits, and some mushrooms. Now I'm gonna have a cup of coffee for the next half an hour while this finishes off. Our pot is ready. Oh, so good. Look at that. Usually I would say serve it with a side of your choice. But this, I'm gonna eat it as is. Let's have a taste. Soft to the bone, flavorful, so delicious.